none of this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan and welcome back to another Jordan video. So I moved into college in a few days and I need to get some dorm stuff because I currently have nada. We're gonna go looking around today. Hopefully I can find something or at least get like ideas of what I want because I don't know anything. Let's go. Okay guys, we're ready to shop. I need to get a good trash can, but I don't know.
No, not a cutesy one.
Not a cutesy one?
You need a
I
good,
don't want an ugly trash can.
a good garbage can. You need this
Oh my
egg. This is cute.
Wait, look how cute. This is a hamper? Oh, it's sweet.
Oh yeah.
That's a sweet hamper.
Mhm.
But I feel like it's too big.
It's not that big. It's really small actually.
I can't gauge the size of things because I don't know how big my room is. I like
You like this?
yeah. Trunk. And I
Oh.
put it in the middle of the room. And
Okay.
then everyone that comes in, there's like a treasure chest. And so like you
Oh, like the dentist office?
yes, and then you come in, when you visit, you get to take a toy out of the treasure chest. That's how I'm gonna get friends, actually. Good idea, Jordan. I feel like it's too big.
It's kind of small.
Girl, I got two roommates.
Oh, those are sweet.
These for decoration.
No, to use. This is cute for you to like actually do classwork.
To actually do classwork.
To like know when you to write it down for your desk. Oh,
I go in with a clear, empty mind of the day. I like to not know what's in store for me.
oh.
So every quiz is a pop-up quiz. Oh, this
Self-induced anxiety.
just wrapping paper because it's my birthday soon.
It's not though.
19.
All right. She's gonna make everybody celebrate her birthday.
With no choice. What if I get a rolly cart? This one's like broken though. It's like tilted towers.
You should get this and put a picture of
Guys,
me and you and Draco in it.
I'm gonna get fall stuff.
No, you gotta get dorm stuff before you get fall stuff.
But the dorm stuff is the fall stuff. I'm gonna decorate my dorm for fall.
Yes, but like your year-round dorm stuff,
Pumpkin.
that's not a necessity, babe. Right now, I'm saying, like,
You're not gonna say. I definitely think Sunflower Gnome would make a perfect spot in the dorm room. My dorm room isn't allowed headboarders. But like, they're cute.
They are.
What if I get one and just keep quiet on the creek? Shut up.
oh, okay.
One.
That's a wedge pillow.
It's a wedge pillow. It's like a way to work around.
That's cute.
I like this for
I
free.
really like that.
Okay, my inspo for my dorm is like cottage vibes, like neutral, sad beige with greenery.
Everything you picked out was pink. Do you need hangers?
I do. People say to get the felt ones because they last or they grip onto the.
You don't need to know what people say about that. We have felt hangers at home.
I'm gonna go a regular set.
Okay.
I'm gonna switch it up.
Okay.
She's from Texas, I can tell by the way.
Oh, we gotta get a mattress topper.
Oh my god.
Maybe if you made your wish list.
I need like a good. I like this cup though. This is cute.
That's cute.
Ooh, I'm gonna get these for my roommates, and then so Halloween nights we can do this.
What if they don't want to?
They're gonna have to suck it up. You guys gotta play along. And then this, we're gonna watch the Super Bowl.
I like the little wicker one. I feel like it goes with your...
Slake wink. That's good.
Okay.
Oh, this one gives a mushroom rustic. Yeah, exactly what I need. Oh, that's sweet. None of these are calling my name. Except this one. That's because that's my name, Slake Queen.
Oh, okay. What vibe are you guys gonna go for the bathroom?
We're gonna go for a sleek look.
Okay, so none of those.
No, like we're gonna go for bathroom vibes only. The soap bottles, toilet.
Okay, so just bathroom. What about green?
You found it for less. I steal this lotion and put soap in it to be like a surprise.
Oh, I like these hampers.
So cute.
This is for, they're like fabric sheets, but reusable, so you don't have to keep buying the fabric sheets. You can just use the balls.
They look like a moth egg.
Oh, okay.
Moth egg.
Okay.
This looks like a steam room.
Okay.
I needed baskets. That's what I need. But
Yeah.
I don't know if I should get wicker baskets.
Those go with your vibe.
They do, but they give me splinters. If you put like clothes in them, you can't put clothes in wicker. Wow. This is Wicker Land. That movie would go crazy.
This is cute. Oh, it's pretend wicker.
It's oh, this is adorable.
That's darling.
Hey, this one's trying to sneak into the set. You knock that down. Look out. Look at that flower shape, and they're like the Russian dolls. They all fit in each other.
You need one of these so you can step.
Wait, what did that mean?
And a vacuum, a Swiffer,
Oh, yeah.
all of that.
I need a lot of stuff. Oh, this is perfect. I'm gonna get this for cleaning supplies.
No, girl.
Oh, this is like the most aesthetic trash can I've ever seen. It looks like a minion. No blankets. I like.
Oh, that's cute.
This is
I
probably
don't.
gonna keep you so warm. Look at it's a fully Gavin set. I know exactly what I need.
Oh, okay.
For the holiday season.
You don't need that.
Look, it's a jack-o'-lantern. By Martha Stewart. Martha, you outdid yourself. You think my roommates are gonna let me decorate?
Well, just decorate your space.
You mean they don't? What if they don't allow me to put pumpkins in the front of the room?
Then don't you put pumpkins in your space.
What if I can't put a skeleton wreath on the door?
Okay, what are you gonna do if your roommate wants to go with the cheetah aesthetic in the bathroom?
I'm going to let her. What is this? Ooh, I think this is better secret chunk.
Oh, this
This is
surprise!
secret chunk. I'm gonna use this as my school bag.
Yeah, because you haven't bought one of those either.
Because look at that. Imagine pulling up the glass in this. Sorry guys, let me get situated. Oh yeah.
She's darling.
To see, I'm gonna get. Oh, it comes with soap in it. That's cool. Wow, I like that. Whoa,
Oh God.
I have an idea.
No.
Chicken.
No.
We make our bathroom chicken themed.
Why are there chickens in the bathroom?
Sheep. To remind me, like, to go against the pack and don't be a sheep. No, I look at it and I'm like, that's an example of what not to do.
This is an example to read a book.
You know, someone's gonna get that and they take a picture of it and post it. I need a heavy duty.
Yeah, you need like a.
Are there ones that like mask the smell? It's a groovy. 70.
Are you gonna do?
Oh yeah, I want to do like string lights. I think
You should
more,
do
like,
these
this
bad
way.
boys.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
If I
God forbid I throw an idea out there.
Guys, it's fun for like a party. It's a party. It's a party.
Alright. I think you should. Like these storages, I think you need to see how big your space is, though.
Exactly, that's the issue. Like, I have no clue how big, like, I can't gauge the room size from the little picture they gave us. I need snacks and a water bottle, they said.
Girl, you don't nothing in this.
I need toys for joy. I need toys for joy in the room, okay? There's gonna be hard nights. We're gonna do like an unboxing of a mini brand.
Ay, ay, ay.
For game night in my dorm, no spin the bottle has ever ended well. Why do people keep playing it? Oh, I don't like that actually. Oh, muffin
Don't
time.
get this one.
Love
Or this
lap
one.
Drink.
Okay.
Let's play couples, but with everyone that isn't in a relationship and see how messy it gets.
Oh, okay.
Let's ruin everyone's time the first night. This is so cute.
Mm-hmm. I don't think you like the colors, though.
Oh no, but like just like
Yeah.
that's cute.
That is cute.
She's from Texas, I can tell by Oh, I should probably get a calculator.
You need like a collapsible, I think. A pop-up hamper would be cute. This one's good,
This
actually.
is a good and it's new loyal
Yep.
new loyal price.
Mhm.
New loyal price. Hey. I don't need
You don't even iron. You've never ironed in your life.
I'm gonna go right now. You do need scissors for the dorms, but would they be mad if I got these stupid little ones?
There is.
Well, I hope you had fun shopping with me. Went to a few stores. I think I did find some cute things and got some inspo of things that I do want. So I think I still need a lot. Like a lot. But I hope you guys had fun coming along with me. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.